We're here, guys. We made it to the Philippines. Second time this year. But is it worth it to finally travel to the Philippines in July of 2022? Well, let's start from the beginning.
I was signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I prayed a better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. A better life, I had to try, I bet it right.
We're currently in the train on our way to the airport. Time check. Oh, wait. Time check. 7:13. Just a little over 4 hours before our flight takes off. So yeah, we should be making it just in time.
I'm in the stars in the wind, but I'm back. Now I'm not it for the music when I can't stop. Ain't gon' let me anywhere to ask me. Ask a favor or a shout out to gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come.
I thought it wasn't gonna let me in. Alright, we're here at the airport. We're gonna try and make our way to the gates. It's gonna be a long line for sure, so I'll update you when we get there.
Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried.
Oh my gosh, we can actually check in so early. There's like literally no one here. We have so much time.
Guys, I think this is the first time in I don't know how long that we actually checked in early. Like, there's not a lot of people at the counters, no one behind me at all. Like, look at that. So we can finally have breakfast, chill for a few hours before heading onto the plane. Because we got to the airport about 4 hours early, as recommended, we didn't have to line up that long. Literally, oh no, yeah.
15 minutes.
No, I think 2 minutes on the line.
Oh yeah, that's true.
We went to the counter, and the longest part so far is this line to the security. Check that.
Security.
To the security. I think lining up at security, like immigration, took just under 2 hours. It's 9:25 a.m. right now, but we still got about 2 hours. So 11:20 is when the flight takes off, but we have about an hour and 10 minutes to go to the gate. So we're gonna grab some food, some brekkie, coffee, and can finally relax a little. So here I got matcha, and Alex got an iced latte this morning. Just got done with brekkie. We're now, I don't know where we're heading. I'll be to the gates. On the plane soon. So exciting, but I know it's gonna be a long trip. It's only 8 hours. It's actually not that long compared to other flights, but yeah, we've downloaded everything on Netflix, on Disney Plus, YouTube, and we're pretty set for this plane ride. So as you can see from the B-roll that I shot, I think the flights or the planes at Cebu Pacific have upgraded maybe. They've definitely changed their color palette from like the yellow and green to the blue. It's blue and yellow now. Even the logo up front and stuff. So we opted for the exit rows. So you got, you know, tons of leg space, guys. So hopefully this flight with Cebu Pacific is comfier than previous times. We've made it, guys. We finally landed here in Manila. Philippines. And yeah, we're just gonna head to the immigration, get our stuff sorted, get our bags, and I'll see you in the next spot.
It's pretty quick though.
I don't know, it looks hectic right now. It's a long line just wrapping around. We're hoping it's gonna be quick. We'll see how it goes. That was another incredibly long line going through immigration, but we finally got our bags. We're just, finalizing our things before we grab some dinner. But yeah, guys, they've actually really eased the restrictions heading into the Philippines. All we had to do was fill out the One Health Pass. So to do that, you go to onehealthpass.com.ph and you have to click register. And in there, you fill out your contact details, such as your name, email, mobile number, all those kind of things. But the thing you have to provide is your vaccinations. So that would be the first 2 doses and a booster dose as well. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, this isn't professional advice, but we didn't have to upload any insurance or other documents, but just that coming from Australia. Take 2. So we've now made it to Terminal 4 here in Manila, and I'm not even gonna be like, guess where we're going, because guys, we're going to Siargao. It's been almost 4 years now since we've been to Siargao, and obviously it's been affected by Typhoon Odette, so I'm curious to see what it's like now and what the tourism is like as well. So we've got our friends over there, super excited to meet up with them. But yeah, guys, it is totally worth it to go to the Philippines now. Less restrictions, everywhere's opening up. You gotta go here, make your way here. So yeah. She's about to say something. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also Alex's, because we're gonna be releasing vlogs in Siargao. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on our future uploads in our week in Siargao. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.